So, hello Pratibha, thank you so much for joining me. And today I'm so happy and glad because this is my first chance to interact with person that is who's from the same district, same state. So, thank you so much for joining me.
Hi, ma'am. Yeah, thanks for having me here. And yeah, same for me. I am happy as well because it's my first time when I'm talking to person who's from my area. So yeah.
Yes, yes. And this is my first interaction, I think, for my YouTube channel. So, Pratima, first of all, I know a little bit about you, but for the sake of this video, would you like to introduce yourself?
Sure. Hi, my Pra. I'm a college first year student pursuing bachelor's in chemistry from Jammu University. My hobbies include listening to songs. I love to watch movies, and these days I'm trying to learn guitar.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's really great. Nowadays, you are also learning guitar. Okay, so Pratibha, if I ask you what kind of personality you are, if you have to describe yourself in two, three words.
I think I have like an outgoing personality. I am extrovert. I can talk with anyone at any time of the day. That's
Okay.
how I would describe myself.
Mhm.
Yeah,
So
I
you,
love to talk to people. I love to communicate. And
that's really great.
yeah,
Mhm. So you are extrovert from your childhood, or you recently developed this kind of
no,
personality?
no, I became extrovert when I started talking to people online.
Okay.
That was maybe in class 8th or ninth. But before that, I was not at all extrovert. I used to be a shy child. I used to find it hard to talk to anyone. But now it's kind of easy for me as I've talked to many people over the
Mhm.
years. Yeah.
That's really great. Okay. So, Pratibha, now you are very confident at this language. So, how did you develop this kind of confidence? What kind of practices you did?
I think the confidence that I have now is because I've practiced this language a
Mhm.
lot. I used to talk a lot, like maybe whole day when there was lockdown period. So I used
Mhm.
to talk to many people at that time, and that's how I practiced it. And yeah, now you can say it by the way I talk.
Mhm. And your accent is also quite, good. So, uh, do you have the same accent when you started, or over a period of time you developed this accent?
No, when I started, I used to find it so hard even to like form basic sentences.
Mhm.
I developed this accent by, I don't think I have that accent, but whatever I have, however I speak, it's because I consume a lot of stuff, a lot of American English stuff, movies
Mhm.
and podcasts in English. Maybe that's why, because my environment is like that only. So that's how I got influenced, and now I'm talking like this.
Okay, that's great. So, do you talk with your family member in English? Do your family members know this language? How to talk? How to interact?
Yeah, obviously they know basic English as they're from India, so everybody know the basic English. But
Mm.
I never spoke in English to them. I speak in my native language called Dogri, which is the
Mm.
native language of Jammu. So I speak in that language and sometimes in Hindi too.
Okay, that's really great. So, do your friend also speak in English with you?
Even though I had English medium school, but we never really talked in English. Maybe sometimes, but not on a regular basis, I
Okay,
would
that's
say.
great. So, do you have a YouTube channel also? I would like to ask you.
I mean, I have decided to start a YouTube channel. Yesterday was the day when I uploaded my first video there. I'm just getting started and let's just see what happens.
Yes, just share with me also the link. I would like to
Yeah,
subscribe it.
sure, I
Yes. So,
will.
Pratika,
Sure.
I would like to ask you when your friend, saw you on YouTube, maybe they also feel proud. Now you are doing great. How did you develop this kind of accent, or how you were able to speak English? What kind of practices you did? So, do they ask you regularly?
Yeah, no, not regularly, but when I showed them that, yeah, I've talked to someone on YouTube, they were obviously happy for me. They said, you're doing great, you should continue it. And they
Yes.
knew that I can talk in English, so they were not that surprised by it.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so can you share me with your first experience with a person when you interacted through this kind of video call? What kind of
Oh,
your emotion that time? And did you
okay.
also feel nervous or you felt confident?
No, the first time when I interacted with someone over video call, it was, I think, last month. I was so nervous because I have never spoken in English through video calls. I've always done audio calls. So I was obviously nervous, but with time it got better and now I can speak without getting nervous. The
Yes.
experience was great. I felt great after I did that call. I was like, okay, I can now talk through video calls also. So I was happy for that.
Yes, actually, you are really doing great. So, Pratima, if I ask you what kind of challenges you faced when you started speaking English and how did you overcome those challenges?
Okay, so the challenges that I faced was sometimes I used to talk to people not from India, from another countries, and some were also native speakers. So I used to find it hard to understand them, and I used to ask them to repeat the sentences or whatever they used to say. So that was one challenge that I faced because obviously we have Indian accent and they have American and British accent, right? So it was hard for me to understand them, and I like overcome that challenge by listening to American English. And now I can talk to any native speaker and I can easily understand them.
That's really great. So, did you talk with them on audio call or video call?
No, with them only audio call. I was shy at that time. It was back in eighth and ninth.
Mhm. So, would you like to tell us which app you were using that time so people can get to know? They can also try to talk.
Okay, I started with an app called Ace Fluency. They give us like 40 minutes free talk time. I used to use that app, and there is one website too that I use these days. It's called Free for Talk. So
Mhm.
these are the two app and website that I use.
So with the help of Ace Fluency, can we get access to to talk with people who are from different countries?
No, I think Ace Fluency is only like for Indians. It's
Mhm.
not that famous. Maybe some people from Bangladesh or Sri Lanka too, but I don't think native speakers would join there. But on the
Okay.
website, other one, people do come from another countries.
Okay, that's really great. So I would like to ask you, where did you get idea to connect with YouTubers? So and did someone suggest you, or while scrolling YouTube video, you got an idea? Yes, people are practicing their English.
So, like, I had no idea that people are practicing in English and uploading it on the YouTube. I
Mhm.
only used to watch American stuff like that.
Mhm.
So one day I was just scrolling and I found one conversational video, and then I was like, okay, people are trying to learn English and they're uploading it on YouTube, and that's how there is a community of English learners here. I had no idea that people are actually putting efforts to learn this language. So that day decided maybe I should just talk to someone to know more about it. So
Yes,
I did a lot of emails, maybe four or five, and most like two or three people replied to me and I talked to them and experience was great. So then I
yes,
thought, okay, I should continue doing it.
yes, definitely. You should continue, and I think you should also start your YouTube channel where you can also, have conversation with someone and upload, or it's your interest, wherever your interest lies.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
So I would like to ask you what kind of daily practices nowadays you are doing for the betterment of your English.
Okay, one practice that I keep doing is talking. I think practicing English while talking is the only practice you need if you want to be fluent in English.
Mhm.
I make sure that I talk in English every day, even if it's for 15 minutes, because you have to be consistent. You don't have to lose the touch with it.
Yes.
So that's one practice I do. Another one is I usually watch stuff in English only. So
Okay.
maybe that contributes too.
Yes. Okay. So which type of content you actually watch, like web series, movies, or podcasts, or stories?
I think I watch according to my interest. Sometimes I like to watch movies, so I look for movies in English. But sometimes basically I subscribe to YouTubers who are from America, so I get suggested only those videos on YouTube. So I watch whatever comes on my screen.
Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, so now I would like to ask you a hypothetical question. So, Pratika, if you would get a chance to have a superpower, so what kind of superpower would you like to choose and why? Any kind of superpower.
Okay.
Yes.
Maybe superpower that I would like to choose is like to travel. Like there's a door, like maybe you have seen that cartoon called
Yes.
Doraemon. There's anywhere door, right? So that's one superpower I would like to have because you can go to another place in just a second.
Hmm.
And that's just so fascinating to me because I love to travel. And by that, I will be able to travel in no time. So that's
That's great.
what I would
So
love
which
to have.
country would you like to choose first? Which country would you
I
like to
mean,
explore
the
first?
country that I am liking these days is Nepal because I love the culture there, the beauty. It's too good, like the mountains everywhere and
Mhm.
temples, Buddhism and stuff. That attracts me. So, yeah.
Any like state you have visited right now in India?
I think at this point of time, I've not visited many states, maybe Uttarakhand, Punjab. Yeah, only these two. I have not traveled much.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really great. So, Pratibha, if I ask you what kind of habit you want to inculcate in future in yourself that will gonna help you
One,
in your overall personality.
okay, one habit that I would love to inculcate is waking up early. I
Okay.
think I am an early riser because whenever I try to be awake in midnight, but then I wake up next day, I feel so energyless. If I wake up around 8 or 9, I feel like there's no energy in my body. But whenever I wake up early, like 5 or 6, I
Mhm.
feel so energetic whole day. So
Mhm.
that's one habit that I would love to inculcate in my life.
That's great. So, really, you are really doing great. And now I would like to know about your daily routine. What your daily routine looks like, if you would like to share with us.
Daily routine these days, it's not that interesting since my I have holidays, like my college isn't started yet. So it's kind of boring only. I wake up early and I've started doing workout. Maybe it has been a month. So I have to wake up early for that. I wake up around 6 and then I do workout for like 90 minutes.
Mhm.
Then I just have my breakfast and then maybe like talk to someone in English or maybe watch a movie. So it's not that interesting these days, but my college is starting in like 2 weeks. So after that, maybe it will become a bit interesting.
Okay,
I
great.
am hoping for that.
Mhm. That's really lovely. So, Pratibha, if I ask you that, is there any kind of advice you got in earlier life and now you are getting some benefit from that? And yes, you're also thinking that this advice really helped me a lot in my overall personality development, or maybe somehow it is helping you.
Okay, so obviously, when I think one advice that I would love to give my younger self is, she was so shy. She never used to talk to anyone. But now, whenever I have to talk to someone, I talk so clearly and so confidently. So one advice that I would give her is that don't be too shy. Nobody is judging you, and everybody like nobody is that perfect that
Okay.
like there would be no flaw in someone. You should just speak to people. That's how you're gonna learn. And it's good to talk to people. You get to know about a lot of stuff that way. So that's what
That's
I
really
would say
great.
to her.
Mhm. Great. So, Pratibha, if I ask you that, is there any advice you would like to give someone who just started their journey with this language? What they can do, what they can, apply in their daily routine so that they can become, good at this language as early as possible.
Okay, if you wanna be a bit fluent in this language, first of all, you should start watching content in this language. You should surround yourself. If
Mhm.
you're watching something for entertainment on YouTube and it's in Hindi and you're learning English, you should start watching that stuff in English only. So that you form a habit of watching English stuff. Because whenever you are learning a new language, you need to surround yourself by it so that whenever you are thinking, you think in that language too. And if you surround yourself with that language, your mind will adopt and you will start thinking in that language too. And make sure that you practice every day, even if it's for 30 minutes, you should do that. And gradually, it will be a slow process, but by 1 year, you will be good at it
That's really lovely,
if you
like
do it
advice.
regularly. Yeah.
Yes, because we need to create that kind of environment if we don't have that. So yes, definitely if we
Yeah.
practice, if we try to create that kind of environment over a period of time, we become fluent, confident, but it takes time. We can't learn this
Yeah.
language within 1 month. Yes, that's really
Hmm.
great advice. So Pratibha, I really like this conversation with you. And if you have any question, you can ask. Otherwise, we will wrap up the
Okay,
session.
so
Yes.
one question that I have, like I know people about my area,
Yes.
and women here they don't really want to learn this language. They are just comfortable in their day-to-day life.
Yes.
I mean, I have seen people
Mm.
here. So how did you like got in? Are you like a teacher, or how did you get the inspiration of starting a YouTube channel and try to learn this language?
Okay, that's great. So, Pratibha, when I was in school time, I really was fascinated by this language. Whenever, even my teacher were not able to speak English, but whenever they speak, even for a sentence with confidence, so I, was very mesmerized how they would able to speak this language. So I think I had a burning desire to learn this language. But over a period of time, like after marriage, I forget about this dream, and my interest, lies in different field. So one day I just scrolling through the video where I got an idea. Just people after marriage, after some age, they are learning this language. Why should I? So I also started emailing to different YouTuber and learn from them how they are, what kind of activity they are doing in their day-to-day basis. And when I started, I have this dream, and as well as I had that goal that when I started and become confident and fluent, I would start teaching to the other people, those who would like to learn this language. So now, last 4 months, I have been started teaching to the beginner and intermediate level spoken English. And in this way, I have started, and in this way, I got interest. I think I had interest in since my childhood. So yes, people whenever
Okay.
they watch my video, maybe they are from JNK, so, maybe people those who are my relative, they connect with me and they also connect for their children. So nowadays I am also helping them to learn this language. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, you're such an inspiration because people of my area, they like there is a rare person that would know English and talk in English. So like you're such an inspiration because even if you couldn't learn it before, you're starting now and you're doing so good and you can speak well. So yeah, you're doing great. And
Yes.
I think you should continue doing it.
Thank you so much. And even two students from Rajpur also.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Okay, that's so
Yes,
good.
yes. Mm. Okay, so I really enjoyed this conversation with you, and I hope one more conversation with you in future whenever you get time. So thank you so much, Pratibha.
Yeah, same here. Thanks for having me. I'm really grateful to be on your channel, and I wish you all the best for your future journey of the channel.
Thank you so much, Pratibha, and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.
You too. Bye.